Welcome back to Jemama's Live. Jemama got a box. I got it from Bath and Lather. Let's see what's in the box. And why always do that? Happy Friday to you. So I had got the, let me see what packet this is. I forgot what packet it was, but this is what came in the box, how the box came. I got the hydration mist. Hair elixir. Replenish conditioning. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight. Strengthening shampoo. And scalp stimulator. And this is the stimulating scalp and hair balm. And that's what I received in my package today. It was $140. Real expensive, so I'm praying that everything works out good. But I've been having a lot of, well, they keep showing it on Facebook. And so I said, let me try it. I think my daughters use it. It said, Bath and Leather, thank you for your order. You're in great hands. Our #1 product for hair loss and healthy hair growth. Our nurse practitioner found it rooted in nature and backed by real results. And this is the thing if you okay. Well, give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to Jemama's Life. Remember, God loves you. And so do Jemama, so do Jemama, so do Jemama.